and get me. Because I don't think I'm in any condition to be shooting a gun at some mud right now. That fucking mud is a bastard. He's gonna come in here and he's gonna try and steal all my stuff.
Okay, there's the descriptions.
I'm tripping balls. I'm tripping balls. This shit is so low. Yeah. Holy shit.
Put it back on your mouth, Derek.
I'm bleeding.
Yeah. Can I have your wallet, sweetie? Give me your wallet.
Are you robbing me?
No.
You are. Come you go get a gun.
Come on. Give me your wallet.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Are you robbing me?
I'm robbing you blind.
I'm not blind. I can see.
Was that fun, Derek? Is that a fun surgery?
I don't know. They didn't tell me that. They didn't mention this. I don't know. Here's his card to pay for you. Hopefully it's just, it's not too much. If it is, just $15. And pay for those and all that.
Where are you going?
I can't go anywhere, dude. Are you serious right now? I want some more of that stuff they had given me.
Now, I'm going to be able to do this? Yeah, you should be able to. If there's a problem,
Oh, this is nifty.
you know.
This is a nifty invention.
Tell them I'll come back up, but just tell them what we're going to
I'd like to meet John E. Lazy Boy. Say, hey, Mr. Lazy Boy. Thank you.
Want to go with her, Val?